Hi guys! For this video is Jack's birthday. So, naami karon sa water park. So, makakita mo ani sa ako ang background. So, si Jack is free. Then, sa amuan doon ni Mark is 13 bucks. So, nice siya. It's big. And under shade too. So, karon na sa 42 degree ang kainit jud. Hi. So 43 ka ang 42 kainit karon, 42 degree. Pero niyan si Mark kuan si Jack sa iyang birthday swimming. So mag-swimming time. You gonna swim now? Uh-oh, take off your nappy. Yeah, big buddy.
Take Nabby off.
Take off your nappy. Ah. Init jud ka. Init jud. Mas sakyanan init guys sa sakyanan karon. Then araw mga 6 o'clock dire ang temperature is 46. So pa ni 50 guys, wala pa ni 50. Paabot ang 50. Karon si Mark ug si Jack ni saka para mag water slide. Taas-taas jud siya. So, ano kung saan sila ron? Dara, tuara. Ah! Wala pa sila ni Gabas.
Where's Mum?
Is it good? Good?
You want to go again? You go again?
No. You scared?
You go all the way down there?
Whoa.
Dad go. You watch Dad go? You watch Dad go? You stay there? Watch.
Come here, come here.
You ready? Dad, you watch Dad?
Come on. No, so Mark na magkanto para sa si Jack ito ga cold Jack. Is he cold? Jack? Jack? Where's Dad? Oh, going up. Huh? You gotta wait for Dad. Dad's there. See Dad? Look, Dad! No, Dad! Dad! Oh!
You want to go again? Woo!
It's cold. Namin dito sa water park. Ang may dala si Jack dito sa iyang birthday.
On a bike that's
Cuba
not even
water
ready yet.
park.
And Lars went, it's close, and even Jet said, look, it's very close, but it's not quite right. Did you see the